Hi, I am Ravi Bheesetty and I'm UX lead with Mercedes-Benz Research and Development India Private Limited. One of my senior advised me to attend 2015 PLF, and that's the place I did realize product leadership, management, and how things are really changing the landscape of the market. And that's the time I've decided. It took some time to think about it in a concrete way, and right now I am pursuing Executive MBA with Institute of Product Leadership, and I'm very proud of it. I have been an accidental project manager. I had started my career with just getting things done, getting my teams to deliver on time, and those were the activity I was practicing so far. So when I enrolled to this course, I have got the immense knowledge about how productizing the idea and making things happen really makes sense, and that's where I started practicing about the design aspect of idea, delivery, creative thinking of delivery, and all this put together. Somewhere it actually brushed my the resume, it brushed my knowledge level, and I'm going to increase the connection values, and now I'm actually more condensed with knowledge, and that's how it actually worked for me. The memorable journey, every session was memorable. Every session was, I love to recall every session, but my interaction with Professor Sanjay was amazing, where we are actually learning about how the big companies actually think about the future technology and how they actually try to look at their product line and how they can actually build a solution for future. So that is something it was very interesting, and I still hook to that session. I always go back and keep thinking about the session. First, I would highlight the articulating problem, because as a product manager, you work closely with the technical team, internal stakeholder, vendors, suppliers, customer, research team. So understanding what is the problem you're trying to solve, and it has a different value for different stakeholders. This is one challenge is most of the time we as a product manager fail to understand, and we actually tend to miscommunicate or over-communicate sometime. Second big challenge is engaging or influencing the actual team without leading them with authority, because most of the time your stakeholders are not reporting to you, they are just inspired by you. So you need to understand their motivation to work, how you can actually get things done, and also how you can shape up their future plans as well as the product roadmap.